Hi kids! How are you today? This is teacher Nico from Chalor School and welcome to Science Online Review. So this week we have a test of Science Proficiency for Grade 4 or Pratom Suksa PTC Nakap. So this is for a review for first semester. Are you ready to learn now? So let's start! So let's go for the menu first. So once again, let us review the parts of the test. So we have the part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Last week, we already discussed the part 1 and part 2. Chamay? Already set Leo. Chamay Kap? So for the part 1, we have the listening, the part 2 for the multiple choice. So this week, we're going to discuss the part 3 and part 4. For the part 3, we have the matching type, which has a 15 points, and classification has 15 points also. So let's start for the part 3. Part 3, okay? So for the matching type, this is the direction. Match the words in column 1 to the pictures in the column 2. And then write the letter of the answer on the space provided here. So get your exam sheet and go to this page, okay? So all you need to do is to match these words, column 1, to the pictures here in the column 2. Then all you need to do is to write the letter, okay? A, B, C, D, okay, here na, on the space provided, okay? Understand now? So let's go for the channel 4 to start our test for part 3. So I give you also a 5 seconds to answer each number, okay? So ready? So this is the column 1 and column 2, okay? All you need to do is to write the letter of your answer here in the space provided, okay? So let us read first the vocabulary word. We have the mung bean plant. Again, mung bean plant. So what do you think is the correct answer here? Is letter A, B, C, D, or E? So 5 seconds and starts now. Alright, the correct answer is letter C. So this is the mung bean plant. Okay. Next, number 2. Sunflower plant. Sunflower plant. So what do you think is the correct answer here? Is it A, B, D, or E? And then 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer is letter. Alright, letter E. Okay, so this is the sunflower plant. Next, number 3. Lotus plant. Lotus plant. So, what do you think is the correct answer here? So, 5 seconds starts now. Alright, and the correct answer is letter A. So this is the lotus plant. Okay. Next, number 4. Number 4, morning glory plant. Again, morning glory plant. So what do you think is the correct answer here? Is letter B or letter D? So 5 seconds starts now. Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, very good. Okay, and of course for the number 5, which is letter D. So this is the mimosa plant. Again, mimosa plant. Okay, so now let us read first the vocabulary words. We have mung bean plant. So this is the mung bean plant. Sunflower plant. This is the sunflower plant. Lotus plant. This is the lotus plant. Morning glory plant. So this is the morning glory plant. And the mimosa plant. This is the mimosa plant. Okay. Next, we will go to the 6 to 10. So identify the animals. Okay. For number 6, we have the raccoon. Raccoon. Okay. So where is the raccoon? Here. A, B, C, D, or E? I will give you 5 seconds to answer it. And it starts now. Alright, the correct answer is letter C. So this is the raccoon, okay? Next, number 7. Gorilla. So where's the gorilla here? I'll give you 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter D. This is the gorilla. Okay, next, number 8. Honeybee. Honeybee. So where's the honeybee here? 5 seconds. The correct answer is okay, E, letter E. This is the honeybee, okay? Next, number 9. Whale. Whale. So where is the whale? 5 seconds. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, and of course for number 10, this is the snake. Letter A. So again, once again, let us read the animals. We have raccoon, gorilla, honeybee, whale, and snake. Okay? So let's go to the next for number 11 and number 15. All we need to do is to identify these materials. Okay? So whether it is wood, clay, rubber, glass, or synthetic cloth. So let's start with number 11. We have wood. So what do you think? Where is the wood here? Letter A, B, C, D, or E? 5 seconds. The correct answer is letter B. So the table is made of wood. Very good. Next, clay. Clay. So where do you think is the clay here? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter A, the brick. Okay, the bricks are made of clay. Next, rubber. Rubber. 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter E. The sleepers are made of rubber. Next, glass. Glass. 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter C. Very good. And of course, the umbrella, which is the synthetic cloth, is letter D. So an umbrella is made of synthetic cloth. So once again, let us read the vocabulary words. We have the wood, clay, rubber, glass, synthetic cloth. And that is all for the part 3, okay? So let's go for the part 4, which is the classification, okay? The part 4, we have this one. This is the directions. We have the classification and the identification. For classification, all we need to do is to classify the following animals according to their activity, okay? And for identification, which is letter B, identify the following objects, whether they are natural or man-made, okay? So let's go for channel 5. And of course, I will give you 5 seconds to answer each number. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. So, for this one, for the column, for the table 1, we have the journal and then nocturnal. When you say journal, an animal that live in morning, and nocturnal, an animal that we can see on evening. Okay, let's start with the duck. Is it journal or nocturnal? What is the correct answer? So 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is yes, dog is an example of a journal. Okay, next, hyena. Okay, hyena. Is it journal or nocturnal? 5 seconds. The correct answer is yes, hyena is a nocturnal animal. Okay, next, bat. Bat, is it journal or nocturnal animal? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is nocturnal. Okay, so a bat is an nocturnal animal. Okay, next, cricket. Cricket, is it journal or nocturnal? Once again, when we say journal, the keyword is on morning. The nocturnal on evening. Okay, so let's start with the cricket. 5 seconds. So, is it journal or nocturnal? The correct answer is nocturnal. Alright. Next, gorilla. Is it journal or nocturnal? 5 seconds. Alright. The correct answer is journal. Very good. So, a gorilla is an example of a journal animal. Next, we have chicken. Okay, chicken. Is it journal or nocturnal animal? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is journal animal. Very good. Next, an eagle. Journal or nocturnal? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is journal. Very good. Next, an owl. Is it journal or nocturnal animal? Next, 5 seconds. The correct answer is nocturnal. Alright. Next, honeybee. Journal or nocturnal? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is journal. Alright, next, the last one, we have the raccoon. And of course, raccoon is an example of a nocturnal animal. So once again, let us read all the journal animals. We have the duck, gorilla, chicken, eagle, and honeybee. And these are an animal that these are the example of a nocturnal animal. So we have hyena, hyena, bat, bat, cricket, cricket, owl, owl, raccoon, raccoon. Alright, very good. So next, go to the next activity. So all we need to do is to write if it is man-made or natural. Let's start with number 1. Is it man-made or natural? Let's start with 5 seconds to answer it. Alright, the correct answer is okay, a pail is an example of a man-made. Okay. Next, pot. A pot. Okay, 5 seconds. A pot is a natural. Alright. Next, number 3. Balloon. Balloon. Is it man-made or natural? 5 seconds. The correct answer is natural because inside that is an air. Okay. Next, pencil. Is it man-made or natural? 5 seconds. A pencil is a natural because made of wood. Okay. How about the raincoat? Is it man-made or a natural? 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is man-made. So a raincoat is a man-made. Okay? Um, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!